Utilizing keyboard shortcuts is always faster for working than compared to when you're just working around with your mouse. So over here you can see that I have two video clips right here, and if I were to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here, then what happens is that you can simply copy paste out the footage, as you can see. So to know the other keyboard shortcuts and to utilize other keyboard shortcuts, you can go around and click on Edit and then go to Keyboard Customization, just like this. So once you go around over here, you can see that there's various keyboard shortcuts right here. For example, you can see that to play from let's say to play and pause toggle, it's space right here. So if I were to go around and hit space, it plays out right here, just like this. So there are many keyboard customization options, as you can see right here. So what you can also do is you can go around over here. So you can see that there is a play pause toggle with a space. So I can simply clear this out, and let's say I want the play pause toggle to be P right here. In that case, you can go around and set it to P, and now if I were to press P on my keyboard right here, then it'll play. The space bar won't work anymore. So this is what you can do. You can go around over here onto keyboard customization right here and then choose it out. So it is set to custom because I made some changes right here, but if I were to go around onto Adobe Premiere Elements factory defaults, then what happens is that it gets reverted back onto default, and the default shortcut keys are can be utilized again. So that is how you can go around and work around with keyboard customization inside of Adobe Premiere Elements, and then set out the keyboard shortcuts as you like in the application as per what you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.